Welcome to another episode of the Scramline Every Day. I'm your host, Nick McCreadys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make crunchy, golden, lemony, salty roast potatoes that take basically no effort at all. These Greek lemon potatoes are a recipe passed on from generations and one of my all-time favourite childhood Sunday lunch memories. So tangy, so delicious, and they're so quick and easy to make. We're going to begin by preparing the garlic, and yes, that is how much garlic we're using in this recipe. It's one of the main ingredients that gives these lemon potatoes its delicious flavour. Now, the way I like to skin these is by placing a butcher's knife on top, crushing the garlic underneath it, and it just helps loosen the skin. Once you've done that to all your garlic bulbs, you want to chop this very finely. You don't necessarily need to mince it, but just chop it very finely. With the potatoes, I'm using regular run-of-the-mill potatoes. This recipe will also work with sweet potatoes as well, which adds a nice, delicious sweetness to the recipe. Peel or don't peel, it's up to you. I'm going to peel them and then just cut them into wedges. Now, this dapsir or baking dish is the one that my grandma used to make every time she made these for us, which was every Sunday after church. This was one of my all-time, if not my favourite thing that she made. Pour your cut potatoes into your dapsir or baking dish, then add a generous amount of salt, chicken stock or water, a good sprinkling of pepper, oregano, add the garlic in there, and of course the lemon. Now guys, don't be tempted to use that reconstituted stuff that's on supermarket shelves. You're going to use fresh lemons for this recipe. Finish it with a drizzle of oil and then with clean hands, mix everything together to coat the potatoes. This is going to go in the oven to bake for 30 minutes, then take it out, flip all the potatoes over, and put it back in the oven for a final 20 minutes. Sprinkle it with some mint or chopped parsley, and guys, you have a fluffy potato on the inside, lots of lemony, garlic, oregano, delicious Greek flavours on the outside, which is crispy by the way. This is a perfect side or something that you can serve with a delicious Greek salad or simple green salad. If you want to grab the recipe, it's over on my website, thescramline.com. That's where all the recipes on this brand new channel live. If you want to see more recipes, they're up on screen right now. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video because it really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scramline Every Day.